Today I'll show you how to buy and eat baklava here in Georgia. This is the bakery shop and this is how it looks. Baklava. I already bought it. I'm just showing to you where you can find it as well. This is the street name, and now I'm going somewhere to eat it. And this is another street name, Mazniashvili 21. On the left side there is a small park, but there are a lot of Georgian men who are drinking beer. I prefer to stay a little bit far away from them and test this baklava. 4 lari is the price. It means $1.5. It is very tasty and sweet. There is walnut in the middle, a lot of raisins inside, and now I will start eating it. Highly recommend to everyone. Very fresh. I buy it every day and I eat it while walking. Usually I don't stand like this. I'm just standing for you so that I can talk and tell you and show you how I am eating. If you want to drink water, you can drink a free water right in the park. There is a small fountain there. Life in Georgia is very easy. You can even sleep on the bench in this park, even if you don't have money for apartment, or if you don't like your apartment. Because my current apartment is like a jail cell. I think sleeping here is more convenient. It takes a little bit of time to finish this huge baklava. Maybe I'll finish it off the camera. I think that's it about my food review. Come in this wonderful bakery. I invite everyone to try it. Now I'll go to drink the water. Bye bye.